In the forward active region, the base current of a PNP, so previously we've looked at NPNs, BJT consists of holes injected from the base into the emitter and electrons which recombine in the base. Well, this is our PNP, and it's a little bit different from our NPN, which is what we have up here. So if we go back down here, we have injected holes, where previously we had injected electrons. Now we have diffusing holes, where previously we had diffusing electrons. So we also have collecting holes, and previously we've of course had collected electrons. Now previously also, when we looked at the emitter, the current was flowing out of the emitter and then to the collector. Well, this time for PNP, it's totally opposite. We have our collector going out and then into the emitter. So the notes that we have here says that holes are injected into the emitter into the base, or from the emitter into the base. So we go from our emitter, which is the left side, into the base, which is the middle. They diffuse across the base, which is the diffusing holes part, and they're collected by the collector, which go into the right side. So base current consists of electrons injected from the base into the emitter. So we're going to go from our base, we can see that the injected electrons, we have this arrow right here, they go from the base into the emitter side. The holes are recombining with the base, that's where the diffusing holes is. Recombining is negligible in modern BJTs with narrow base widths. So recombination from the holes, if we have a narrow base, it would not be as present. But looking at our question here, we're told that our PNP, which we're looking at, consists of holes injected from the base. So this first part we're going to look at is holes injected from the base, and into the emitter. So it says holes are recombining with the base. This is false, right? It says holes injected from the base into the emitter. Well, right above this, it says electrons injected from the base into the emitter. So this is wrong because it should say electrons. And if we look at the next part, it says electrons which recombine with the base. And we know this is false as well because this should be holes which recombine with the base. And so this is going to be false.